Hello everyone. So this is also one of the important topic which I want to discuss. So in the Python, what is the difference between the aliasing and cloning? So what is the difference? What is the meaning of aliasing? What is the meaning of cloning in the Python? So the simple answer is that aliasing is nothing but we are assigning a different name of the variable. That's it. So we are assigning a one variable with a different variable. We are calling one variable with a different variable name. That's it. So that is known as aliasing. The main difference of between cloning and aliasing that if I'm going to do the aliasing, we have to do the is equal to, and if I'm going to do the cloning, so the difference is that we have to create a different object, different variable. So that will be done by a slicing operator, either the copy operator. So after the cloning, we do have the two objects at different locations, and after the aliasing we have the only single object at the single locations, and object name will be the treat as an aliasing. That's it. Still, let's see what is the aliasing. So here is the one of the example for the aliasing. If I have the a is equal to 356 as a list, if I'm doing the aliasing of the b for the A, if I'm going to made any changes in the B, right? So it will automatically reflect on the A as well as, right? A as well as. So if you, I'm going to run this piece of code, if you see that I have made the changes in B object, but it is reflecting in the A as well as, right? The first index has been changed. So this is nothing but the aliasing. The location, memory location of A and B also will be the same after the aliasing. But what is the difference? What is the solution? If I want to do the changes in B only, it should not reflect the A. And then what is the way to do that? In that case, we have to go with the cloning method, cloning of concept. So for the cloning, we have to do we have to create a different object with the help of this syntax slicing operator. In that case, we can do the this way. We are going to do the cloning. Now, if I'm going to run this piece of code, right? And then if I'm going to run this piece of code, if you see that if I made any changes in B, it is not reflecting in the A object, right? And if I'm going to print the location, right? I want to print the location of A and location of B, right? So the location of A and B, both the location are the different one, correct? But in the previous one, if I'm going to check for the aliasing, the location will be the same. If you see that the location of the aliasing is the same, it means that the reflection of changes in the object one will be reflect on the other one also. So this is the main difference between aliasing and cloning. I hope you understand this concept. Thank you so much for joining this. Thank you.